Hey guys, lately I was thinking about getting a new speaker that I want to compare it with the Harman Kardon Luna. And from the reviews I got from you and from the other stats on the other sides about getting this speaker, let me show you. It's about the Bose SoundLink Flex. Bose or Bose. In our language, in Romanian, it's pronounced Bose, not Bose. Okay. And I saw the speaker, 698 de lei, almost 700 rounds, on white. And guess what? I'm going to take the speaker from the store, from a mug, take it back home. Just come with me to the store and get it. See you there. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe my channel. Be my friend. Okay, so I got my hands on it. Let's go home, make an unboxing, make a sound test. Let's hear this. Oh, it's freezing cold. Let's turn the heat up. And go home. Now, the speaker is next to me. Pretty heavy, I must say. Okay guys, let's do this unboxing. So, what we have here is the Bose SoundLink Flex. This is the box with the Bose logo, the name of the speaker, SoundLink Flex. This is made in Thailand. This is the serial number and the material number. This is the speaker right here, and on the other side we have this little label. There's some data on it, and here we find that the SoundLink Flex, it's a speaker with clear, deep, powerful sound. It has PositionIQ, detects orientation and optimized sound, waterproof and dustproof IP67, withstands drops, crushing shocks and rust. It's a speakerphone. It syncs with other Bose speakers, and it's up to 12 hours per charge. This is other languages. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. We have here. Okay, and we have another one here. And the speaker looks like this. I want to say that I'm impressed of the size of the speaker because it's not that small. Here we have the charging cable. And here we have the speaker itself. I gotta say, it's a nice build. It's heavy. Let's take this off. nice work by Bose. Very nice work by Bose. Nice material, nice touch. This is a nice speaker. Okay, let's put the speaker. Okay, here we have a little manual. It says what to do: Bose Connect, App Store, Google Play. It says charge your speaker right here, press the power button, stuff like that. Here we have worldwideboss.com support, the SoundLink Flex, and globalboss.com warranty. The warranty is here, many languages. Not much in the box, I say. This is the speaker, it's heavy. I can't wait to find out how it sounds. It stands, okay, it's standing, very nice. Okay, let's make some tests. Let's make some sound tests. I got here my sonometer, my Hubble-Test sonometer. We will see the max decibels of this speaker. And here I have my thermometer from Hubble-Test 2. This will measure the heat of the speaker. Let's do some sound test. Okay, so the speaker is on. Let's see what's the sound, what's the power, what's the bass of the speaker. We're gonna put a NCS song.
No, there ain't no stopping us.
This is half volume.
Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star.
And this is max
Let know you
volume.
are. Flying up in a bar. Wish on a star. Time to show 'em who's in charge. Call me a shooting star. Didn't even get to cross. I said I'm moving too far. Getting past. Looking at a shooting star. Got more than a couple of people going mad. I swear they're rooting hard. Till I might be big in the game like she went and got them breast implants.
Okay, I might say this is one powerful little speaker.
If you had swag like mine, you know it's best to flaunt. We on, hating because you want. Shining like it's neon. Rock like kings of Leon.
23.7 degrees. We'll see if the speaker has the same temperature after 1 hour of use or 2 hours of use. We'll see that further in tests.
Shooting stars across the galaxy. I stand out, so don't be mad at me. Infiltrate, I'm with my strategy. When I turn up, they might just after me. Yeah, shoot, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shoot. Yeah, shoot, shots. Shooting stars. Didn't even get to cross. far to run.
Okay, so I might say this is a powerful, very powerful speaker for its size. It's kind of heavy, but this explains the bass and the quality of the sound. Let's play another song, this one. Also bassy. Okay, so the speaker is max volume. Okay guys, so I heard the speaker. It's wonderful. I mean, it really got bass, it really got awesome sound. But I want to do something really weird. I really want to compare it with this small guy right here. Some old speaker from JBL, the first Go. Let's see how this sounds in comparison with this big guy. Okay, so I've connected this little guy to my phone.
Ready to connect.
And let's power off the Bose, okay. And put the same song. Put it in front of the Bose. And we go full volume. Okay, this is full volume. Indeed, the sound is different. I mean, this thing is much more louder than this. But this was an honest test. It was a simple curiosity for me. Okay, let's pause this one. So, if you find this review useful, this unboxing useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you love my work and want to help me, share this video.